Hey, back from Alpha Charts with a stocks to watch video. Today is Monday, 6/20/22. The markets are closed. I wasn't going to make one of these videos this week because the market's looking rough. It's in a downtrend. Here's the cues. Obviously, downtrend. It is starting to get a little extended to the downside. So there could be, an area for maybe bounce plays or tactical longs. So then, I reconsidered and I'm going to go ahead and make this video. There's not a ton of names on there, but here's a few that I think may be worthwhile. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with that. And here we go. First up is PRVA. So PRVA, love this kind of double bottom look to it, trying to break out. Again, it was quad witching on Friday, so volume is maybe exaggerated a little bit, but still lots of accumulation happening in here. This one looks real good to me, and potential place to manage risk is $28 or so, maybe a little extended now after this big move, and so maybe it needs to just kind of come back, retest, and then get above this VWAP, and that could be a place also to manage risk. Next up, OLI, Ali Bargain Bin. Again, nice little breakout here, moving higher. Again, maybe a little bit extended, but again, it's bucking the trend and it's already turned higher. So this one looks pretty good. SGen, which used to be Seattle Genetics, now it's CGen. Big day on Friday. I'm not sure what the news was. Doesn't really matter. Has this potential area up here at 190 or so. So there's some room to the upside here before supplies could be met. Zoom, our old friend Zoom from Monster from a few years ago, been in this horrific downtrend, and now it's trying to make the turn. Again, this could be just me a more complex basing pattern. It may need more time, but a tight stop on this one. Maybe you see some upside in this one. Again, all these would be tactical longs. I don't know, how long to say in them, but just manage your risk along the way. This one I was almost putting the Chinese name because the Hong Kong stock. I didn't though. Futu, FUTU. Again, it's trying to base out of here. A breakout would be nice. And if you look at tons of accumulation happening in this name, kind of has been for a while now, as it's going through this basing pattern. A big drop here. Went from almost 200, or at 200 the high, down 75%, and actually down even more than that, down 90% to the lows, and now it's bouncing back. It's actually doubled in a fairly short amount of time. Duolingo, again, I don't even know how they make money, but I guess they do. And this one is trying to base out here. Again, has some work to do on this, but it's acting well. And last one would be Upwork, UPWK. Again, terrible downtrend. Got down, what is that, from 65 to 15-ish. So yeah, got down pretty far. And now it's trying to break this downtrend line. And again, trying to base here. Again, if you like it, take it. If you don't, pass. And then there's a bunch of China names. And so I don't really trade China names, but they look good. DQ, nice little flag working out here. So that's a very nice look right there. VIPS, VIPS, trying to break out of the space. EDU, again, create the space. Again, may need to kind of do more on this side a little bit, but back up to supply. LI, has some overhead supply up here at the 35, 36 area, but a very strong move so far. So maybe watch for a flag or something like that. PDD, and this one looks pretty good. Again, trying to make this basey area right here. May need a little bit more time, but nice accumulation. And I think that is what I have there. And lastly, I was going to pull up Twitter here for a second. All right. And this Trader Line conference is coming up. So I just want to kind of show you this. Really awesome people that are going to be on here. It's completely free. So y'all may want to check out the Trader Line account. Here's some more I'll be presenting as well. And then there's more to be announced. Oh, Joe's on there too. Yeah, so really awesome people I respect. I mean, all of them just phenomenal names. This is going to be the conference to be at. Again, it is completely free. Here's on Richard's tweet. Yeah. So go to him or the TraderLion account and sign up because again it doesn't cost you anything, and again the amount of knowledge that's going to be, I mean, David Ryan, Mark Ritchie, Ropel is going to be on there, Roy Maddox, Eric Wish. I mean, so they're covering all kinds. Brian Shannon. I mean, just ridiculous. Matt Caruso, Leaf's on there, Tom's on there, Tom Basso's on there. I mean, just ridiculous. So whatever your style is, there's somebody that's going to cover it. So, and again, I'm looking forward to this. It should be great. All right. Stay safe out there. Hope you all do well. Just let's look at Queb real fast. Yeah. So, I mean, Queb, which is the China Internet ETF, that's also looking good. So if you're afraid of singular Chinese names, you could potentially do the ETF, and that may help, get in and out a little bit. Very liquid name, so there's no problem there. And it looks like it's trying to make the turn as well. All right, you all take care. Stay safe out there. Bye.